the truth about Rontaly tools and if they're actually any good from a hot rod builder, mechanic, painter. So I'm the hot rod builder painter, if you didn't already know, and I'm going to give you an honest review of these Rontaly tools. Now these Rontaly tools are, I can't find my bloody Makita battery, where is it? They're compatible with Makita. They're fantastic tools. There is a couple to avoid and there is a couple that you want. Now the nut runner, let's start with the nut runner. Really good, really powerful. I've used it for, how long have I had that for? I've had this one for about nearly a year, I'd say. Use it all the time, it's really good, it's fantastic. The batteries, they're the same as Makita. However, the Rontaly batteries don't have a lot of juice in them. That's the truth. There's nothing wrong with them, per se. They just don't last very long in comparison to the Makitas. But obviously, these are like, what are they? Maybe a tenner or something each. For a tenner, I'll just buy 10 of them. So they're really good. Oh, I need that actually. Oh, it's also got different torque settings on this from that one stuff as well. But yeah, they're really good. It never fails to take a wheel nut off. We've got the Milwaukee one over there, which is a lot heavier and a lot more heavy duty. But we don't need it because this does actually work, does actually take wheel nuts off of it. I never had it fail or nothing. I did get a Hinsink one. This old thing. This did fail a couple of times and it was a bit ropey on the old electrics. But the Rontaly one, they're brilliant. And then we've got the DAs as well. So they've got two different types of DAs. I believe this is the old one. And yes, the newer was skinnier and taller. But they're both really good. Oh, I've not. Oh, it's already on. Both really good DAs. Got different speed settings. So they've got different speed settings. Oh, that must have been full of dust. We use them all the time, use them every day these days. It's so much easier than having a corded appliance and a cable dragging across a panel that you've just bloody sanded. So we've got two Rontaly DAs. These I would recommend to buy. They're absolutely fantastic. This one, the Nut Runner, definitely worth a pop for the price. Even if it did fail on a couple, you wouldn't be upset for the price. And then we've got, what else have I got? I've got the normal cordless drill. Some of the tools aren't here, some of them are at home as well, and some of them are dotted around the workshop. I've got a Rontaly spotlight that sits on top of the Makita and Rontaly batteries. That's really good. In fact, I'll show you that now. Come with me, and you'll see to the world of pure imagination. Do 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 do. Let's put you back. Where were you? Where were you? There. I know this battery is dead. So. That's actually a battery that a knockoff one that blew up. So I've used it to hold this. So this is the Rontaly light, Makita Rontaly Flexi. Pretty bright there. Really good little work lamp that is. Portable, you stick it under the car, in the boot, in the bonnet. It's bloody brilliant. Another tool they've got is the cordless polisher. Here's a very honest part of the reviews. I would not buy the polisher. The polisher it looks good, it looks the part, it does the right things until you go to put it on a panel and then it just falls out its own arse. It has zero torque. It doesn't have enough to pull it round really. They sent me a second one to try. They said, look, we've got a new one come out, try this. And I didn't even take it out of the box. I was like, no, do you know what? It's whatever. I'll take it. If you want me to have it, I'll have it, but I'm not gonna use it and I'm not gonna do reviews on it. What else have I got that's Rontaly? The battery sets. They do really cheap battery sets, but like I said, obviously the batteries don't actually last too long. A bit like this style of battery. However, that's dead. if you compare prices between main brand and Rontaly, then it kind of is worth it. Price to power, it does work out a hell of a lot cheaper, but you would just have to make sure that you bought multiple of them. They do all come with chargers as well, so you can keep them all on charge. The ones, so the Rontaly ones, these ones, the ones that have got the plug in the top, like little actual charger thing, they are the better batteries. Then you get the batteries that they're called the replacement batteries that go on a Makita charger. I would not buy them. I wouldn't feel comfortable putting something like this on my Makita charger, just in case. I mean, I know these ones are good, but you don't charge these ones like that anyway. They've got their own chargers. But when you get the actual replacements, it just isn't worth having a fire. It's not worth it. You hear all these horror stories and you think, you know what could be that 1 in 1,000 that it blows up for? So I won't bother. But when it comes to everything else, the DAs, the cordless drills, the cordless routers, the nut runners, they are all really good products. I would stay away from the replacement batteries, not these batteries, these are good. The replacement batteries and the polisher, I would avoid them. Everything else, honestly, they're so cheap, it's absolutely insane. If you are interested in buying any Rontaly products, look up Gunslinger Speed Shop on TikTok, click on the shop, go on my showcase, and you'll find all the Rontaly tools on there. Have a look for yourself. You will not believe how cheap they are.